is lever. If you put 10 and you get the output is 5, means this lever is working against you. But if you put 10 and you get an output of 100, means that you have the lever in your favor. Expertise is one of the key levers to take the company from $1 million to $10 million. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 fundamental winning strategies you can utilize to build this lever in the right area with the most cost efficient, so you can have the highest level of return of investment building those expertise in your business. If you never met before, I'm John Perez. I'm a business transformation expert, the founder of VSHR Group, and author of 100x Business Workforce. The Sales Benchmark Index, in their research they find out companies who has a scalable sales process, they get sales almost 20 times faster and more. So that leads to the winning strategy number 1, scalable sales process. Scaling a sales process is about creating a predictable, repeatable, and consistent way to generate revenue. The book which really helped me to understand this and apply in my own career is about predictable revenue. So I'm going to give you 3 keys so you will be able to apply this one in your business to create a great breakthrough. First key is about cold calling 2.0. It's about creating a specialized outbound team. And one of the companies who really make the best use of it is about Salesforce. They create the Salesforce on one side who are the setter, who get the inbounds and get the who does the outbounds and set up the meetings, and another specialized team who close down those meetings and winning the deals. Key number 2 is about predictable pipeline. It's about creating a consistent lead generation engine and process into the place. It requires a lot of work, but you gotta do it, right? And that's why you are in this business level. Number 3 is about sales metrics. Define the KPI and then, based on the KPI, reorganize and optimize the process. But most business does it wrong. They build the process and then build that KPI. No, do it opposite. It's going to help to make the breakthrough effect. Deloitte reported this one. Organization with strong leadership development program generates 60% more revenue per employee. That comes to the winning strategy number 2. Develop a strategic leadership team. Leadership is the capacity to translate the vision into the reality. So the book which really helped me on this one is about Leader Eat Last. So I'm going to give you 3 keys so you will be able to build a strategic leadership development program. The first key is about the circle of safety. Create an environment where each of the team members and employees feel safe to speak up their problems and get help from each other. Key number 2 is about empathy in the leadership. It's about creating an environment where leaders can truly, deeply care about each of the team members in the company. Key number 3 is about servant leadership. It's about leadership about providing service to each of the team members. Here, leaders are not there to do the less and telling other people to do, but leader is the one who will be looking to do the most by servicing to all the team members and put each of the team members to the best game possible into the team. So one of the companies who does this really well is Zapier. They crafted a great company culture moving forward by putting and deploying a true strategic leadership development program into the company, which rocket fueled the growth of the company from $1 million to $10 million and $10 to $100 million as well too. So that's why it's such a winning strategy. Salesforce reported this one, 86% customers are willing to pay more for their better customer experience. That leads to the winning strategy number 3, which is a customer-centric innovation. The best way to predict the future is to create it. The book which really helped me in my professional life to apply and make the best use of this winning strategy is about lean startup. So number 1 key to apply this winning strategy is about validate learning. It's about continuously improve the product and validate each of the changes going forward, and also predict and listen from the customer what should be the next change. What is a great example? Dropbox did an incredible use of this strategy with this key. The whole product they built on based on this listening and validating their idea, and every time they made a change, it was always coming from a request or a feedback from the user. The number 2 key is about minimum viable product, on short MVP. It's about putting together the most important feature of the product and deploy in the market and listen how the user think and use and interact with the product. You know who did that? Airbnb did it. So they build that very MVP first, deploy in the market, listen to the customer, and then continuously evolve from there. Number 3 key strategy is about pivoting. It's about not doing all the same thing, doing it anyway. It's about if the customer wants differently, let's change. Let's change the product direction and product different vision. Because at the end of the day, the only one person matters the most is the customer. Why? Because they are the one who are the user, and for this one, they're generating your revenue. One of the companies who make the best use of this success strategy is about Calendly. So they moved from $1 million to $10 million really fast by utilizing all the 3 successful keys, and now they're evolving to $100 million revenue. The company who focus on customer experience, they outperform their competitor 80% of their time. So that leads to the winning strategy number 4, customer experience excellence. The customer service should not be a job for one department. It should be the job of the entire company. The book which really helped me to understand this concept is about delivering happiness. So I'm going to give you 3 keys which are going to help you to apply and create a breakthrough in your business in this level as well. The first key in this one about the culture of the company. This is about building a culture where you live and breathe about each of the employees have an excellent customer services. So one of the companies who really make the best out of it, that was Jappos. So they have trained a company culture to the whole team is about excellent and an exceptional customer experience, and that create a great breakthrough for Jappos in their business. Number 2 key is about empower employees. It's about providing them the right resource, guideline, and empowerment to each of the employees so they can make good decisions and almost the great decisions in every time they're on the ground and meeting customers. Number 3 key is about creating wow effect for the customer. It's about creating an exceptional surprise for the customer. It's about a birthday gift or a loyalty or a big gesture or a gift when they did not really expect to have to drive great customer loyalty. Harvard Business Review find out that the company who focus about operational excellence, they get almost 30% revenue growth compared to who does not. And that's lead to the winning strategy number 5, operational excellence. The book which really helped me in my own professional life to understand this concept and use it over and over and over is about the Phonics project. And I'm going to give you 3 keys so you can use them to unlock this for your business. The number 1 key is about the value stream mapping. It's about map every process in the company at any location and all the departments and identify all the waste and unnecessary steps and take them out of the company. And number 2 key is about continuous improvement. It's never the final version of anything. It's always work in progress, but it's ready to deploy. Every time looking at the process, looking into it, okay, this is a usable process right now. Let's use it, and through this one, listen and understand the progress of this process and then optimize into it and then get to the next level of improvement. Number 3 key is about DevOps integration. What does it mean? It's in a business, there's a one group of people who are developers, who are building the developed businesses and developing the businesses and bringing new customer, and there's an operation team into it. The goal is to integrate this one 2-way and continuously finding a better way to integrate that one. In the beginning, they're going to be almost repulsed together. But if you put it together in the right way and continuously building those bridges between them and optimizing those bridges, it becomes excellent integration, and that create a winning combo inside the team. So in this video, I share with you these 5 winning strategies. If you like this video, if you find this useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. So all the best, and I'll see you there.
We have some exciting plan for the next week. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that out.